People who prefer ENTP have preferences for extraversion, intuition, thinking, and perceiving. On a team, ENTPs are often described as being strategic, inventive, and adaptable as team members. ENTPs are naturally drawn to certain roles on the team, including ones where they can bring innovation to the team's process. Innovation tends to be very important for ENTPs because it really brings in their intuition preference. They also like roles where they can come up with new strategies to meet team challenges and to accelerate the competence of the team. They also like roles where they can come up with ingenious methods for addressing complex challenges and where they can really rev the team up with their enterprising nature and with their nothing can get in our way attitude. ENTPs will describe liking to work on teams where bureaucracy is kept at a minimum because they have a preference for intuition, which is focused on concepts, and perceiving, which is focused on keeping things open. They want as little bureaucracy as possible. And they want teams where independence and autonomy are encouraged. They also like teams where finding cutting-edge solutions to complicated problems is valued, and where competence, risk-taking, and change are really core to the team's process. Every type has a dominant function, which is the lead part of its personality. And for ENTPs, the dominant function is intuition, which is focused primarily externally, which means they see new, ingenious, clever possibilities everywhere they look. Every type has its own challenges. And for ENTPs, one of those challenges is over-focusing on models for explaining things or for explaining events. Another challenge that ENTPs will report is bending the rules and resisting procedures and routines as they're working. And ENTPs will also report that they can become overly competitive, and as they're becoming competitive, can overlook the contributions of their fellow teammates. So some development suggestions for ENTPs would be, first of all, to try responding with the benefits of a model. So as they're using a model to explain something, really put underneath it the practical applications that really contribute to the model's use. In terms of bending the rules and resisting procedures and structures, ENTPs can benefit by realizing that their competence and effectiveness may actually rise if they learn to work within existing frameworks. It's helpful if ENTPs can understand and remember that not every rule is worth breaking. And ENTPs can also develop by taking time to acknowledge the contribution of their team members as they're striving to get that competitive edge on the team. So in a nutshell, ENTPs are the team members that are going to bring a very inventive energy to the team. They're going to push the envelope to address team problems strategically.